Hey everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki Tea, live from our tea house in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And today I would like to show you how to make the perfect Sencha. Sencha is a Japanese green tea, and it's actually easy to make if you know how. And this is what this video is all about. So I already prepared something I can show you here. I got the tea set. This is the Kyusu, which is a Japanese teapot. You can see it's a little bit different than regular teapots. These are the Yunomis, which is the teacup. And here we have the tea. This is a Uji Hikari cultivar. You can see the beautiful needle-shaped tea leaf. And this is from our supplier, Shogyoken in Kyoto Nabe in Kyoto. What I also did is I preheated the teapot. I put hot water in here so that the teaware has the right temperature and it's not cold. Otherwise, the temperature of the water will drop significantly if I pour the water into the Kyusu without warming it, and that will have an effect on the tea. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the tea into the Kyusu. Then I'm going to set the timer to 1 minute because you only steeped for 1 minute. The water temperature is 70 degrees. And actually I should have turned on the timer already. I'll do this now, and I'll have to pour the tea a little bit earlier. And I put the lid on top of the Kyusu so the tea can steep. Here you can see one of my staff. Her name is Nam. She's preparing our Oreo matcha cheesecake, which is one of our best sellers here at the tea shop. So whenever you're in Chiang Mai and you have a chance to come by, this is something that you need to try. And guess what? You get that for free if you buy one of our lattes or frappes. Anyhow, the senchas are a very nice tea. It's a very common tea in Japan. You drink senchas throughout the day. It's quite sweet, natural sweetness to the tea leaf. And as I said, our tea that we're preparing here now is a Uji Hikari. And I see that the water temperature, or the water, is almost done. So now the minute is over. And now one thing that is different to Chinese teas is you pour always a little bit into your Yunomi. So this way everyone will get the same flavor. And you can repeat this 3 times. So the first time you do it 60 seconds with a water temperature of 70 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you steep the tea for 1 minute. The second infusion will be, you need 200 milliliters of water, 70 degrees Celsius, 1 minute. The second infusion is 80 degrees Celsius, also 200 milliliter, but this time you only infuse the tea for about 15 to 20 seconds, and you repeat this with the third infusion, and then the tea is done. All right, so now we have to try. As you can see, beautiful color, very nice green. Smells delicious. Oh, very nice. Sweet, savory, smooth. Definitely green. And if you had Japanese green teas before, you know that the Japanese green teas taste a little bit different than Chinese green teas. So you have definitely this fresh cut grass, vegetal flavor to it. And a lot of nuttiness, but that's from the cultivar. So the Uji Hikari is one of the top cultivars in Japan. And so this is why this sencha is special. Usually they use Yabukita or Okomidori cultivars. This one is a Uji Hikari, which is definitely one of the top teas that you can get. very delicious, full of umami, even though this tea hasn't been shaded. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a little bit more about Japanese tea and about Sencha. I will make more videos about Japanese teas in the future, not just matcha, but I think there's a lot of stuff to talk about in the Japanese tea culture. We have genmaishas, we have kabusecha, we have gyokuros, and I will tell you more about all these different types of teas in the near future. So follow me, and don't forget, on Saturday I will have a video update, which will be episode 1 of my 12-week series about matcha. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Looking forward to see you soon. Have a nice evening, have a nice day, take care, and bye-bye.